Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the Trongsa Cultural Society, Yakor Village, BPO Shamator, representing the Yimkhiung tribe. For their final performance, the Yimkhiung Cultural Troupe will be presenting to us a farewell song titled Acham Khün. Acham Khün is a poignant and meaningful farewell song from the Yimkhiung community. It draws a parallel between the setting sun and the end of an event, symbolizing a time of closure. The song expresses gratitude and respect towards the state government for the invitation and the opportunity to be a part of the celebration. It also extends appreciation to the esteemed guests and attendees, particularly those who have traveled from afar to partake in the event. As the Silver Jubilee of the Hornbill Festival concludes, the song conveys a heartfelt farewell, marking the return journey of those who have participated. it up for the last time for the Yimkhiung Cultural Troupe. Ladies and gentlemen, what a spectacular display of culture, tradition, and unity we have witnessed today. The talent, the passion, and the vibrant energy of each performance have truly captured the essence of our diverse Naga tribes. As we come to the culmination of the 25th Hornbill Festival Cultural Program, we wish to say a huge thank you to all our performers for bringing us closer to the heart of Naga culture through their beautiful performances. Shall we give our performers a big round of applause?